Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. No face cam, but we are doing something special. Vanity Bae sent me these press-ons to try out and review. If you're not familiar with Vanity Bae, they are a press-on company. They have a website. It will be linked below, as well as a discount code. I want to just show you what I picked, and then we're gonna put them on, and then we'll talk about it. So the first set is this one. So they're kind of a nudie peachy color with gold accent nails, and then these ones with these little grid-like designs and flowers in them. Super cute. Some have a little French tip on them. This is a kind of a medium length coffin shape. It's blunted on the end, so it's not an almond, but I do like them. The next set are these. They're a little bit longer. They are a longer coffin. They're a bit transparent as well, and they have these blue like swirly lines. This is a very popular style currently, and I think these are the ones that I'm going to want to put on today. And then the last set I picked out are these. They're short, they're round, they're mostly black, but then they have these accent nails, which are a bit of like a marbly nude with a darker and lighter tones, and these gold flaky accents. I think it might actually be glitter, and they are a little bit just spread on there at random. I think this one is really like night out classy. Very cute. So as you can see, the packaging can vary a little bit. Like these are in these white containers, whereas this one is in a clear one with this shiny background, and the boxes are a little bit different as well. I don't know if that's because they're from different generations or what the case is, and the way that they hang is a little bit different, but they are advertised to be reusable nails. Choose your best fit between 24 nails and use them as many times as you want. So my expectation is that they're going to be a pretty sturdy material so that you can take them on and off without them breaking. High quality instant manicure, glue and glue tabs included. Glue is ideal for longer wear, whereas glue tabs would be for just 1 or 2 days if you want to just wear them quickly for an event. Let's open it up though. First, I just wanted to review the instructions. Pause if you want to read it in detail, but essentially it says to use the wipe to clean your nails, and then remove the adhesive from the glue tab, or apply a light drop of glue to your nail and one on the press-on. Then line it up and press down for 15 to 20 seconds and file the nail to your desired size. It says done. It's that easy. After removing them, you can reuse your press-on nails or change it up for a new design. Okay, so this is what's in the box. We've got 2 of these little tiny nail files. We've got a wooden cuticle stick. We've got the glue. It comes about half full, which should be plenty, at least for, you know, a couple wears. And then we've got 2 sheets of glue tabs, and then an alcohol wipe. But this is really what we want to look at, so let's open them up. Okay, so I'm going to set those to the side so that we can kind of go through these and have a look. Let me pull out this one. It is the first one advertised. This one appears to be a size 1. I don't know if you can read that, but it's there on the tip. So they are wider at the base, skinnier at the top, and this was a bit of a surprise. They're curved. This was not immediately obvious from the packaging, so I wasn't expecting it. I kind of just assumed it would be straight. I feel like most press-on these days are, so if you love curvy ones, this is the brand for you. Now we are probably going to have to do some customization, just because you can tell my cuticles and these are not shaped exactly the same, so you're gonna want to customize. So like when I hold this here, like that looks like it's a pretty good fit, but when you turn it to the side, you can see there's obviously some gaps. So what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna size up. This one is a 0, and this one's obviously too big down here, but once I file these corners to bring them in, it's going to be a much better fit. As you can see, I don't have the gaps with this. So firstly, let me pick out the sizes, and then we'll prep the nails and get them applied. Okay, so we've got us 5 nails picked out here. They are very cute. We're gonna work our way across getting these filed and shaped to fit my nails. And I'm gonna use this one to do that just because I feel like it's gonna be a lot more difficult with something of this size just to hang on to it while doing this. So to do your filing, you're gonna want to take note of how it's fitting and where you're gonna need to cut it off. So mostly it's gonna be these back corners for me. And you're gonna wanna work in small files so you don't overdo it. Take a little bit off and then check. So as you can see, this is going pretty quickly. You can already see it's disappearing. And so we'll be very careful to not overdo it. And then once you've got it filed down a little, check the fit. I think we need to go in just a little bit more. And then for me, I like to keep the back kind of round because I have round cuticles. We'll wipe this little bit of dust away. All right, now that is looking much, much better. It goes all the way down. It's fitting well here. So we're gonna do those other ones real quick. Okay, so we've got all these shaped. Let me show ya. So yes, look how much better of a fit that is. That is looking real good. Yeah, see? And these were really easy to actually file and shape, and it went so quickly. So that was really not that big of an inconvenience at all. The whole point of this is to save time and make it easier, so when you don't have the time or you just need a break, you can do this instead. I think I'd like to blend the end of this one just a smidge. And even with having to customize the cuticles to fit me perfectly, it was still super, super quick. Yeah, that looks so much better. And then of course I did already show you, but that one is great as well. Now we're gonna want to prep my actual nails. And for this, I am gonna use their little provided one. And basically we're just gonna kind of scuff this up. So I'll go this way. Okay, so I've got those roughed up a bit, and then we're gonna use my cuticle pusher here to lift these up and kind of clean them out a bit. You're gonna want your press-ons to look like they're kind of just growing out of your skin naturally. So getting your cuticles pushed back and lifted up so that it can slide kind of right up under there is gonna really help you make that happen. Okay, so let's use this alcohol pad they provided us. Wipe these off real good. Don't want any dust and debris under there that might interfere with our bond. If you want these to last, you gotta get them clean and dry. Perfect. I think we're ready to start the application. So we're gonna put the glue on and we're just gonna slide this right in here. And I did notice while I was filing, this end is soft and flexible, but this end is sturdy. And so these should be pretty strong. Let's get our glue opened up. It appears it's gonna need to be cut. I have scissors. It got everywhere, gotta clean that up. Don't want that to dry on my scissors. All right, let's try that again. So, we wanna put a drop in here, right? Ooh, that's a big old drop. Goodness. I'm gonna set that down. And then we're gonna get us a drop here so that it can bond. Try not to touch anything. I actually wanna go ahead and prop this up so I can see it better. All right. So we're gonna go in at an angle to get the back in place and then we'll lower it. And then when it's all the way down, start counting. All right, So I want to squeeze my sides as well. Make sure they're stuck down, which they are. All right, so that looks pretty good. I have got some glue on top. That's not ideal. Let's see if we can get it off without messing up the design. A little bit. Okay. All right, so we have one on, and you can see the sheerness. It's a good thing my nails are cut really short. And if you wanted to, I suppose you could even top coat this and make it more shiny. Next one. Let's try and get not as much. Okay, so we've got some. We put a little bit over here. And then we go in, put the back down, and lean it forward. Roll that glue. Don't forget to squeeze your sides. Oh yeah, that is on there. We're doing good. Let's throw these other ones on. Doing well, one more. This one is wide, so I'm gonna put my dot across so we can get some good coverage. There's some glue here. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Let's put the lid back on this before we make a mess. And there's plenty left. All right, so let's look at our work. We're gonna need to go across the ends of these and get those tabs off. I'm just gonna use my normal file for this. Yes. Let me back that up. And then I'm gonna go around these edges and kind of file to get this extra glue out of here. I made a little bit of a mess on this side. All right, yes, that's looking pretty good. So now if you want, you can also file the edges to shape these up. See if I got any glue hanging off on these, maybe a little bit. Now this one, to be honest, I might have got it a little bit crooked. But that's my bad. Okay, so let's examine our work. I think they look pretty good. I didn't do a very good job getting these off. Let's go up with it. There we go. I think these look cute. I really do like that design though. And I didn't expect this part to be kind of see-through when I picked them out, but I'm kind of glad that it is. And I think we did a pretty good job getting them to fit my nail shape. Again, curves are not usually something I go for, but it's not super curvy, it's a little bit, so I think it's all right. It does kind of lend to the natural look, even though obviously my nails do not grow this well or straight naturally, unfortunately. But I like these. Again, there is a link to their website in the description if you want to check it out. They have all different kinds of designs. Again, they have shorter lengths. You can see that this is, you know, more of like this. And then they have kind of like a medium length, which is a little bit longer, but this is still shorter than the one I've got on. And they even have longer than this. They got some that look like they go out to here. So if you're a long nail girly, I got stuff for you. And I'm like trying to bend them here. These are sturdy. This is a pretty strong plastic here on the end, so that should hold up good. And I've got them on really well. And so if you do all your prep that you're supposed to, these should be able to last you. And depending on your lifestyle, they could really even last you up to a few weeks. I know for me, I don't damage my hands real easily, so my nails usually last a good long while, but of course I will have to take them off eventually, and I might even include a short or some sort of follow-up on social medias or maybe even here on YouTube to let you know about the taking it off process. But please do go check out their website, and there is that discount code. I don't know how much it's for because they didn't tell me, but put it in your cart and find out. Any discount is better than no discount. Thank you, Vanity Bae, for sending these over to me. I really do appreciate it. These are beautiful. They look really good. I really love the selection available, and I appreciate you thinking of me and reaching out to me so that we could do this together. So thank you. And thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for your interaction, your likes, your comments. It is all appreciated. I love talking to you guys. Definitely make sure that you are subscribed so that you are here for any upcoming videos. And definitely check my description for links and discount codes. All that good stuff is in there. Products used. I'll even put these nails in here so that you can find them as well. If you like these sets, you can get them too. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.